ODM hakuna wanaume sasa. Yaani wanaume wameogopa Gachagua. Sasa wameanza kutumia wanawake sasa, mtu wangu, kuvamia Gachagua. Hebu sikiza hii. Yaani ODM wamekwisha kabisa.
You underperformed. Your language is foul. You have no leadership skills. You are a total failure. Don't try to mention Raila's name the way you are doing, because Raila is a barbaro. You are a person with no history. Your history is stinking. We have heard terrible things about you, and that's why you are impeached. You will be impeached again and again, wherever you will be. But the presidency, you will never see the light of day. Don't waste your time. Just go home and take a break. Take Rakodi, Gachagua. Don't try again. Don't try us. I don't like people fighting Raila Amolo Odinga, who has brought peace to this country. Ruto, thank you very much. You are working with Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, and we are seeing the fruits of your labor. You are performing very, very well. Even here, we are in this stadium, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Stadium. Your hand is here. Your government built this stadium.
ODM. Hata mtusi Gachagua. Hata mseme Gachagua sijui ni kitu gani. Mkae mkijua kwamba Gachagua ni baba yao.